Yes, good morning. After the break, now we will start with the chapter Application of Trigonometry. Application of trigonometry is this is also known as height and distance. Now in this chapter, we have to find out height of the object or distance of the point from where the elevation is there and depression. Now, application of trigonometry to find the height of the mountain and all, you will find that by the help of trigonometry, you can find easily. So, application of trigonometry, this is very important. Now, what three terms is needed in this? And I have tried my best to explain this chapter. So now the chapter, in this chapter, three terms: elevation, depression. Now elevation and depression is what? Now you have seen that when our normal side is there, when we sit straight on the bench, when we sit straight, and if we see the straight, that is line of sight, is parallel to the ground, and line of sight when it is parallel to the ground. Now where you are sitting, that point is elevation or depression. If I elevate my line of sight, then I say point of elevation. If I see downward, the line of sight is going down, then I will say point of depression. So, movement of the line of sight. If you are raising your line of sight, the angle by which the line of sight is raised is known as angle of elevation. And the line of sight by which the angle of line of sight is depressing, going down, then we say angle of depression. So angle of elevation and angle of depression means what? That is angle by which the line of sight is raised or depressed, that is angle of elevation and depression. Now in this we have only right angle triangle. We will consider right angle triangle. So near about, if you understand 10 figures and variety of questions, you will find on this chapter. So today's topic is application of trigonometry. Now 20th 10 2020 chapter 9 application of trigonometry. Heights and distance. Heights and distance. Lecture 1. So terms used. First, line of sight. Second, point of elevation. elevation or depression. Third, angle of elevation, angle of elevation or angle of depression, angle of elevation or angle of depression. Now, line of sight. First, if I consider one right angle triangle, this is right angle triangle. This is height. This is distance. Now, this I put arrow here and write distance theta. Now, height, distance, right angle triangle. So this angle you know, I have put it here arrow. So by this, what you come to know that a line of sight. This is line of sight. Now this point is point of elevation. Point of elevation. Now this is top point of elevation. When we talk about depression, now in the case of depression, what you will do? This I am over drawing. Now this is D. This is height. Now this I will draw again. This is line of sight. Line of sight. Line of sight. So depression, when we talk about depression, so normal side will be this, and this is the depression. Now this will be theta, because this line is parallel to the normal side. Now this 90 degree line of sight. So this is top, from top. Now comes there height. This is height, and this is distance. So here we are not making the arrow because depression is there. These two angles are alternate angles, and alternate angles are equal when two parallels are intersected by a transversal. So line of sight, point of elevation or depression, angle of elevation or angle of depression. So height and distance, these two figures And now this simple questions may be there. Figure is given to you, or if you say a pole, or you say the kite is, you are flying a kite. Now the thread, now this is the thread, line of sight will become the thread, and thread makes theta angle. So you can find out the height of the kite. So variety of questions are there on this. A tree is on the ground. Now the point of elevation of the top of the tree. So when you see elevation of the top of the tree, that is maybe any angle, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree. Now these are the simple questions. Now tree breaks due to the storm. The broken part will come down and touch the ground and make some angle. So you can find out the standing part also, the height of the standing part, length of the broken part, and you can find out the length of the tree, the height of the tree. So there are variety of questions on this topic. So after this we have a question, that is two right angle triangles are there. Now only you have variety of questions are on the two right angle triangle. So when we discuss about two right angle triangle, there are 8-9 figures, and you understand these figures. Now the problem is what? When we are doing the questions, what we see, we are unable to make the figure. Now I have tried my best to make this chapter easy. So when you are reading the question, after reading the question, what thing you have to remember? That is, first you write, keep this thing in your mind. Angle of elevation, depression of what from where and by how much. Angle of elevation, depression of what, from where, and by how much. If you have this in your mind, you will be able to solve the question. First I have made this. So elevation in question may be there, 30 degree, 45. You take elevation, depression of what, from where. You may be seeing from the ground. You may be standing on the roof of the house, or you may be on the multi-story building. And how much? 30 degree, 40 degree, whatever angle is there. So if you know this question statement, you will be able to make the question figure. I have not explained the figures first. First of all, what I said, this should be in your mind to make the chapter interesting, and you will be able to make the figure. So first figure, now figure number 1. What is figure number 1? Now when you are seeing the question, this is a vertical tower, you can say that, pole you can say that, building you can say that. Now if I say this is a tower, the shadow, where the shadow will come, you will find the question like this. This tower is there. Now the source, now shadow is formed. So shadow of this tower may be. Now this is the shadow X. Now when the angle of elevation, this is the angle of elevation. When you are looking to the sun, the shadow will have. Now the shadow becomes 3 times. So what is the meaning of 3 times? X, you will find longer shadow is when the angle of elevation is less, that is in morning and evening, you will find the length of the shadow longer. So now this, if I say this is y, so y is 3 times, you will say y is 3 times, that is y equal to 3x. Now this question figure, this angle may be 60 degree, this may be 30 degree, this may be 45 degree, 30 degree. And if I said this distance between 2 points, you can say, so this figure is very important and you will find. Sometimes it is said that alpha angle of elevation is alpha, another is beta. So this is what. Now a car is at this point moving with constant speed, moving with uniform speed. In 6 seconds it comes to this point. When it comes to this point, speed is there and time you can find out the distance. Distance is equal to speed into time. So D is what? It is not 6. It is 6 into speed. Speed you are taking there, that is A. So 6A will be the distance. Now from here to here, how much time it will take? So T is the time. We are taking T is the time from this point to this point. And speed is A. So X will be what? 80. Now if I say Y is what? X plus D. So if you understand this figure, now I can say the name of the figure A. Now this is B and this is C. This point is C and this is D. Once the figure is drawn, now 30 degree, 45 degree, whatever angle is given. Now you cannot write 30 degree here, 45 degree. 30 degree will be away. 45 degree. 45 degree, that is. Now when you are approaching towards or when you are moving away, then when you are moving away, the angle of elevation reduces. And if you moving towards the building, the angle of elevation increases. So this figure is very important and variety of questions are there. So AB, once you have drawn the figure, now once you have drawn the figure, what you have to write? In right angle triangle. You will write in right angle triangle ABC. First thing. Second, ABD. Second thing. So in right angle triangle ABC and ABD. So this is how you separate in right angle triangle ABC. ABC. Second, in right angle triangle ABB. Once you have written the ABC and ABD, H upon X equal to common thing should be, so two equations you have to form. H upon X equal to this angle, perpendicular upon base, tan. H upon Y, that angle, and Y can be written as X plus D. So Y can be written as X plus D. So capital H upon X equal to whatever angle is there, you can write. So try to make the work easier, calculation easier. You have to take this common thing A, B, C. In this common thing is what H upon X, and you will find the answer. So H upon X equal to this angle. Suppose I say alpha and this is beta. So I will say H upon X equal to 10 alpha. H upon X equal to 10 alpha. Again H upon Y 10 beta. H upon y tan beta. H equal to x tan alpha, first equation. H equal to y tan beta, second equation. H equal to x tan alpha, H equal to y tan beta. Our y is what? X plus d. So you can do the question of this. The first figure is this one. Now figure number 1. Now figure number 1. If I say this figure, now depression is there. Now for depression, what you will say? The same is there. Figure 2. Figure 2. Now figure 2 is what? For depression. Same figure. You are standing on the roof. Normal side is this one. You are seeing this first car. After some second you see this car. So another depression. So this angle, suppose I say beta, this is alpha. You will say this is beta and this is alpha. Now the same thing is there. Here H. This is X. This is Y. This is D. Same figure, same method. A, B, C, and D. A, B, C. A, B, C first angle, second is the. So second variety questions you will find that on figure. So, sometimes they say find X, they say find D, angles and all. So variety on one figure, if I take as 3-4 questions, second figure again 3-4 questions. So 8 questions you will do. Now comes the figure number 2. We have completed. Now comes the figure 3. Figure 3, the same figures are there, but here from one point you have to watch the 2 things. That is, so figure 3. This is the same figure. You have seen that here alpha, here beta, E, Q, P, Q, R, S. Vertical flag step. You have seen the vertical flag step. So this is H, H1. Now you can say that, sir, this is capital H. You can say this capital H. This is X. So this type of question you can do. PQR, one right angle triangle. In right angle triangle PQR. Second, in right angle triangle PQS. Common thing is what? X upon H1 cot alpha. X H cot alpha. First equation. X upon capital H cot beta. X equal to H cot beta, second equation. Capital H is what? H plus H1. So you will find that there are variety of question on this. So see that. Understood? So you will be able to understand this question. Okay, now thank you.